Most women over 40 are what I call shoulder users. Every pulling movement, every row, every back exercise gets hijacked by the neck and the upper trap. Not because you're doing it wrong, but because nobody ever taught your back how to actually move and how to get your shoulder blades to know their job. That's what this is. This is a corrective exercise called a prone I. It's simple, it costs nothing, and it is going to teach your back to move and do its job again instead of your neck. So this exercise is a corrective exercise, or kind of like a reset, to teach your body to be able to move your shoulder blades. So this is a prone I. Okay, so prone is lying on our stomach. I use this ab mat to lay on because I want to teach myself to lay in a neutral position, not out flared in extension when I'm laying down on my stomach. So when I lay down on the ab mat, I'm going to get my rib cage and pelvis to shape to the ab mat. So I'll lay like this. Okay, and what I'm doing is getting my rib cage to kind of pull up a little bit, right? So I'm pulling my rib cage up, okay, and then what's happening is my pelvis is lengthening downwards this way. So I may feel a little bit of activation in my glutes. I'm going to be in this position with my hands down at the side of me, and then my thumbs start externally rotating. And I'm getting this movement, retraction, through my shoulder blades. And I'm teaching my shoulder blades that they can move internally towards my spine. Okay? As I do this, my thumbs are faced outwards. What I want to make sure that I don't do is just move my thumbs. Okay? I have to make sure that my shoulder blades actually get some movement down, okay, towards my pelvis and also together towards my spine. These are prone I's, okay? If you don't have an ab mat, okay, use pillows. Just stack yourself up with pillows and get used to doing this corrective exercise for prone I's to be able to get used to moving your back.